Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 13 from the chapter of Gravitation. The topic is the calculation of the angular momentum of the Earth. So this is the question here. That is, we have to find the angular momentum of the Earth if its mass is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg and the radius is 6.376 into 10 to the power 6 meter in the SI system of units. So in the SI system of unit, the unit of angular momentum is kg meter square per second. So and angular momentum is equal to m into v into r, and this is also equal to I into omega, where I is the moment of inertia and omega is the angular velocity. So in the case of the Earth, the moment of inertia I is equal to 2 upon 5 m r square. This moment of inertia is for a solid sphere about any diameter, and since the Earth is a solid sphere, therefore the moment of inertia of the Earth will be given by this formula. Omega is the angular velocity, and the angular velocity of the Earth is 1 revolution per day. So the angular momentum of the Earth is equal to I into omega. So I is equal to 2 upon 5 multiplied by the mass of the Earth multiplied by the square of the radius into omega, and this will be equal to 2 upon 5. The mass of the Earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. The radius of the Earth is 6.376 into 10 to the power 6 whole square multiplied by omega, which is equal to 1 revolution per day. So here in this case, we will be getting the angular momentum in terms of kg meter square revolution per day, but we have to find the angular momentum in kg meter square per second, because in this question we have to find the angular momentum in the SI system of units. Now in the SI system of units, the unit of the angular momentum is kg meter square per second. So it's very simple now. This is equal to 0.4 multiplied by 5.97 into 10 to the power 24, 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. Now 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radians, so this is equal to 2 pi divided by, now in one day there are 86,400 seconds. In one day there are 24 hours, so 24 hours, and in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So if you multiply this, you will be getting 86,400 seconds. So from here, the angular momentum of the Earth will be equal to, if I just multiply all these values, so this will be equal to 0.4 into 5.97 into 6.376 into 6.376 into 2 into 3.14. This is equal to 609.6 divided by 86400. This is equal to, so the final answer is approximately, this is equal to 7.06 into 10 to the power 33 kg meter square per second. So this is the angular momentum of the Earth, which is equal to 7.06 into 10 to the power 33 kg meter square per second in the SI system of units. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the topic of angular momentum. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.